any of the seas coming in. They're going to be going right over there. All right, and Mr. Sancho's. We'll see you there. Here we go again.
Sandy Beach, amigos, what you looking for?
We got the Liberty and the Paradise, but we already knew that. And they're heading this way where there's a lot less people. So just a PSA here, public service information. When you come to Mexico now and you're a vapor, or you vape, I don't know how that would work, leave it on the ship. It is illegal to have any vape products in Mexico. So make sure you leave it on the ship. Don't get caught. And they're not playing around, they said. So we'll see. What were you arrested for? Oh, I had a vape pen. Oh well, it's their country. Sorry. What's your name?
Eddie.
Eddie?
Eddie.
Sure it is.
Eduardo.
Sure
I don't
it
know
is.
exactly, you know. So
Eduardo.
tell me Edward, Eddie.
Eduardo.
I don't know.
Sounds suspicious.
Well, on behalf of all my friends and everybody, I want to thank you for the complimentary taxi ride. Thank you, because if it's free, it's for me.
Almost free.
Almost free.
Eddie, where are you from?
Cozumel.
All right.
Yes, original. My grandpa come to live in Cozumel.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah. My birthday is in July 4, just only a month, you know.
Yeah.
And I got it 58. No, in serious, you look.
Yeah, I know a lot of them donkeys. They got two legs. Mr. Sancho's Beach Club.
Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos a Mr. Sancho's.
We're probably the first ones here.
You remember right here inside exists ATVs if you like to take is after tequila tasting.
Oh, they do?
That's important. to
Oh,
do.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do they still have horseback riding here?
Yes, madam. Let me show you right there.
Here. Yeah.
Right there is horseback riding, but now you know that probably in about 30 minutes you can see right there because everybody come to the beach now.
Well, Eddie, I wish you could hang out with us all. Ain't open yet. Oh, we're here really early. Right here we are at Mr. Sancho's. This won't look this way in a little bit. We are really early. We got right off the ship, came over here, and this place will fill up. Now, yet another public service announcement. If you like to come here to Mr. Sancho's, they naturally don't have domestic beers as in United States domestic, so it'd be an import for them. But so we always got Tecate Light, which is a good beer. Tastes a little bit like a Bud Light or a Mick Ultra. Well, it's gone. All they got is Dos Equis or Superior beer. Dos Equis not so bad. It's tolerable. So anyway, a little bit more tidbit of information. Hey, did I mention don't bring your vape pen here? Don't. They already said no. I don't smoke, but whatever. All right, here's Terry getting her coconut shrimp here at Mr. Sancho. She said they're the best. And she got her some Frenchy fries.
With some ketchup.
But not a lot of ketchup yet.
I wonder.
All right, so when you come to Mr. Sancho's, you always have to hook up Julio. We've been coming here for 20 years. How long
That's
you
right.
been here?
A long time, brother. You know it.
20 years. So always make sure you take care
Thank
of
you.
Julio when you come here to Mr. Sancho's. Thank you, brother. Love
you,
you.
brother.
See you next time.
Next time.
All All right, babe, you know things have got bad when Terry's drinking water. Oh, that's my girl right there. So she stayed inside. I came out through the employee entrance. Once you go through security, they don't really care. So I came out the side doors, and guess what? It's starting to rain. So anyways, I'll meet her at the end of the doors, and she'll be way behind me because it's really crowded in there, very crowded in there. So all right, we'll see you on the ship. Going back to the ship. This ship, Carnival Paradise. We got the Symphony of the Seas, which we're going on soon, and the Paradise, and then we got the Liberty over there. We're not going on that anytime soon. 3 and 4 day cruises, not my bag. Well, for the most part. We will do them, but not now. All right, we gotta get back to the ship. I'm gonna get all wet. Here we are. We're getting ready to get back on the ship. We'll see you on the deck 10 in about 3, 2, 1. Here we are up on deck, safe and sound for the 69th time.
We're going to dinner, and we hear that they have French onion soup. It's our favorite. So we're ready. We got all fixed up and dressed up for Mr. Sancho's today, and we're on our way to dinner. It's going to be so good. Right, Pat?
That's it. It's Cozumel. She made fun of me. She laughed at me.
All right, good.
All right, so we'll meet you at dinner. We'll bring you that menu right about now. Terry got French onion soup. I'm not a pig. It's just so good. I got French onion soup, and stuffed mushrooms. Terry got a little burger on the kids menu, and I got the linguine and clams. Babe, so how was your food? How was your so far?
The French onion soup was amazing.
Oh,
it's
God,
always
it's amazing.
my favorite. And I ate every bit of that. And then I got the kids' cheeseburger. It was the perfect size. And I did eat all of it, but a little bit of French fries. But now I'm stuffed. So it was good.
So anyway, so on with me. All right, so I started off with the stuffed mushrooms. They were excelente. Really, really good. And then I got 2 French onion soups, which Carnival, I'm telling you, has the best French onion soup of any cruise line. And it was even caramelized on top, which makes it the best ever. And then I got the linguine and clams, which is usually really, really good. But for some reason tonight it had I don't know, like a weird flavor to it. So ate about half of that, and I was pretty much done with that. And now we got a banana split coming, and I'll bring you that right about now.
I got a banana split.
A banana split with
Looks
a banana.
yummy. It's down in there. There's 2 pieces.
Yummy. And then I got the same old thing, a banana split, which are always yummy, just so you know. We're gonna give those about a 9.5 out of 10.
This is amazing one. Chocolate.
Shake, shake.
Shake, shake. It's beautiful.
Can I get another cup of ice? I don't like the way that looks. I don't know if it's me or not.
I got you another.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Enjoy.
Thank you. All right, it's that time. Someone needs a haircut.
Yeah, it needs a haircut and I need to go to bed. I'm tired. We had a busy day in Cozumel, but we had lots of fun.
So anyway, so she went to the casino and won again.
$25 again.
24 more dollars, 25 more
That's my
dollars.
lucky number. I'll quit.
She bets like 2 cents, not kidding, 80 cents. All right, so anyway, so I was up and then I lost, but that's okay. All right, so anyway, we had a fun day in Cozumel at Mr. Sancho's, as you saw. Yeah, you already said that. Anyway, so she's gonna go to bed. I'm gonna walk her up, and then I'm gonna
not
come
going straight
back
to bed.
down to the casino.
I'm not going to bed. I'm going to finish my book and then I'm going to watch TV. But I'm very tired from being out in the sun all day at Mr. Sancho's.
I'm very tired because someone kept me awake till 2 o'clock in the morning reading her book. Yeah.
It's a really good book I'm reading. So I want to finish it.
All right. So anyway, so tomorrow's sea day. We'll bring that to you. Tomorrow we get to go to the seafood shack
Yeah.
because our friend Deborah, she got $150 free.
From the
So
casino.
because she likes to play in the casino.
Oh, so good.
Yeah.
Oh, that is really good. Very
All right.
good.
So anyway, tomorrow sea day. Bring that to you, and we'll see you in the morning.
Night night.
Say bye.
No, I said night night.
Good night.